The circus was a realm where the ordinary coexists with the extraordinary, a place full of laughter, mystery, and astonishing feats. Among its stellar acts were two unique performers: Max, the dexterous dog, known for his incredible balancing skills and friendliness, and Leo, the super monkey. Max and Leo were more than just teammates. They shared a deep bond of friendship beyond the spotlight. They lived and traveled with the circus, enjoying new cities and audiences, embracing the spirit of adventure that life on the road offered. One sunny morning, excitement buzzed in the air as the circus festival commenced in the heart of the bustling town. Stalls of vibrantly colored tents sprawled across the festival grounds, inviting spectators to indulge in the enchanting world of fantasy and wonder. Max and Leo had promised their fans another unforgettable performance, a promise they always fulfilled with great enthusiasm. The festival was more than just a showcase of skills, it was an unscripted adventure. As Max carefully pranced on a brightly painted barrel, Leo swung high above on the trapeze, flipping and twisting with the agility of a starling in flight. Their synchronized movements were flawless, their trust in each other evident with every act. The audience watched in awe, clapping, cheering, and gasping at every unexpected twist. But this performance was unlike any other. In a turn of events, a small breezy gust sent Max's barrel rolling faster across the stage, careening towards the crowd's edge. A ripple of panic swept through the audience. With an intuitive leap, Leo swooped down from his perch, his quick reflexes kickstarting an impromptu rescue mission. With deft precision, Leo nudged the barrel, steadying it just in time. Max adjusted his balance gracefully, drawing gasps and relieved applause. The music crescendoed, and their act transformed into a triumphant testament of friendship and teamwork. As the sun set, casting golden hues over the festival, Max and Leo received a standing ovation, not just for their skills but also for their courage and the bond that had saved the day. The circus was their home, the festival their playground, and each adventure they faced was another thread in the beautiful tapestry of tales they continuously wove together.